How AI could replace millions of jobs in the US. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an interesting topic to discuss: the potential impact of artificial intelligence on jobs in the United States. With the rapid advancements in technology, AI has shown incredible potential, but it also raises concerns about the future of employment. In this video, we will look into how AI could replace millions of jobs in the US and explore the implications it might have on our workforce. So let's jump right in. The rise of AI. To better understand the situation, we first need to acknowledge the impressive capabilities of AI. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI systems are becoming increasingly sophisticated at performing tasks that previously required human intervention. These advancements have led to improvements in efficiency, accuracy, and convenience. But as AI technology continues to evolve, its potential to replace certain job roles cannot be ignored. Jobs at risk. The reality is that AI has the potential to automate tasks across various industries. Jobs that involve repetitive, rule-based activities are particularly vulnerable. Industries like manufacturing, data entry, customer service, and even certain aspects of healthcare could see significant job displacement. AI algorithms are designed to learn from data and make decisions based on patterns. This means that AI systems improve, they can take over tasks that were previously performed by humans. Economic implications. While AI's potential to boost productivity cannot be ignored, the shift towards automation raises important economic concerns. The displacements of jobs could lead to joblessness and income inequality, creating a ripple effect throughout the economy. If millions of jobs are indeed replaced by AI, it is essential for policymakers to consider solutions that address reskilling and upskilling the workforce to prepare for the jobs of the future. The role of education and upskilling. To navigate this transformative phase, education and upskilling will play a crucial role. As jobs evolve, individuals must have access to training programs that equip them with new skills. This could involve adapting to more creative, analytical, and problem-solving roles that AI cannot easily replicate. By investing in lifelong learning and fostering a culture of adaptability, we can mitigate the negative impacts of AI-driven job displacement. Collaborative future. It is important to recognize that AI is not just a threat to jobs, it can also be a tool for collaboration. Many experts believe that AI will complement human capabilities rather than replace them entirely. By leveraging AI to handle routine tasks, humans can focus on higher-level thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence, qualities that are inherently human and difficult for AI to replace. In conclusion, the rise of AI presents both opportunities and challenges. While it is true that AI has the potential to replace millions of jobs in the US, it is not a doomsday scenario. With the right approach, we can harness the power of AI to create a more efficient and collaborative workforce. What is crucial is proactive planning. Governments, industries, and individuals need to work together to ensure that as AI technology advances, our workforce is prepared for the changes ahead. Let's embrace AI as a tool for progress and innovation while also safeguarding the livelihood of millions. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like and subscribe for more discussing on technology, its impact, and the future it holds. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.